and Maya, and you probably noticed that here with two guinea pigs. This one's name is Woody. This one's name is Biscuit. They're my two class pets from my second grade class, and I'm taking care of them over the summer. I'm gonna tell you 15 fun facts about guinea pigs. So if you're wondering why I have this on my face, I met Barbie yesterday at a birthday party, and she gave me a face paint, and she painted a bird with black dots and butterflies and flowers around it. And I liked the face painting so much that I didn't want to take it off. So our first fact is, guinea pigs, if you were wondering, are not pigs. They're actually rodents, just like hamsters, rats, mice, gerbils, lemmings, squirrels, and beavers. And they actually do not come from Guinea. Guinea pigs are actually from the Andes in South America. Do you know South America? I have two cousins there. Fact number 2. Guinea pigs are social creatures and they love to be with other guinea pigs. And they talk to each other with cute sounds like squeaks and purrs. And when they were in the wild, they did best in herds. And now they're usually house pets. And if they're in somebody's house, they do best in pairs. And that's why we have 2. Fact number 3. Guinea pigs have long, sensitive whiskers, and they help them navigate and find things in the dark and explore their surroundings. And also, that's why you never cut an animal's whiskers. Fact 4. Unlike many other rodents, guinea pigs do not have tails. So if you get one, you won't see a long wagging tail. Fact 5. Guinea pigs have non-stop growing teeth, and they need to munch on veggies, wood chips, and wood bars to keep their teeth the right size. Guinea pigs have 4 teeth in the front, just like we do. But they also have 2 extra teeth in the back that helps them chew their food correctly. Fact number 6. Guinea pigs are excellent jumpers, and they can leap when excited, startled, happy, or surprised. It's like they have tiny trampolines on their feet. Fact number 7. Guinea pigs love to eat. They pretty much eat non-stop, but they only eat plants like vegetables, fruits, and hay. But they also can eat guinea pig pellets that are specialized for guinea pigs. Fact number 8. Guinea pigs have very sensitive ears, and they can hear high-pitched sounds that humans can't. And for guinea pigs, anything that we hear, it's 5 times louder for guinea pigs. Fact number 9. Guinea pigs are all types of chatterboxes. They talk to us with many squeaks and purrs. Fact number 10. Guinea pigs have no sweat. Unlike humans, like we have sweat, guinea pigs don't. They only see like ears and paws. Fact number 11. Guinea pigs can learn lots of simple tricks. With patience, they can even learn their names, and when you say their name, they come to you. Fact number 12. Guinea pigs are naturally clean creatures. They're not the cleanest rodent, but they're one of the cleanest rodents. And even though they can pull out to get dirty from that, they do groom themselves a lot. So, because they like to look nice. So they are naturally clean creatures. Fact number 14. I can't believe we're already at fact number 14. That's crazy. So, fact number 14 is that guinea pigs have all types of coat colors. And just like Biscuit and Woody, they have different coat colors and they have different types of fur. I forgot what Biscuit's called, but Woody's type of fur is a smoothie. And each one is like its own work of art because they all look so special, cute, and different. Here's fact number 15. Guinea pigs are gentle, friendly, and a fantastic pet for kids. And if you want your child to learn about responsibility and pet care, then these are the perfect pet for you. Fact number 16. The video over. And if you think guinea pigs are the perfect pet for you right now, go and get one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell and the notification button. Bye!